In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. I'm going to show you everything in a step-by-step process. To watch this video very carefully and do like this video. As you can see in the screen right now, there is $200 per trade made, and all of the trades are of $200 and all of them are profitable. So if you also want to make profit like this by simply copying our trade without even placing trade by yourself, and watch this video very properly. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. Once you join that Telegram channel, you will get instructions that you need to follow in order to get our UID. Once you get that UID, you simply log into your Pocket Option account and just go to social trading and click on here and click on search. Now here you can see you can enter that UID in this way. Now this is not my UID. I'm just showing you it as an example. So just paste that UID, a name or something like this will appear. Just click on it and you will see this kind of dialog box appearing. Now once you see this box, then simply click on copy and you'll see these 4 boxes. Now if you copy 100% of our trade, that means you are copying $200 per trade. Whenever we make $200 per trade, you will be copying $200 per trade. But if you make it 1%, then that means whenever we make $200 per trade, you will be copying $2 per trade. If you make it 10%, whenever we make $200 per trade, you will be copying $20 per trade. In this way, you can set this copy in proportion. Once you have done this, you can simply scroll below and click on confirm. And whenever we make trade, you will be copying those trades automatically into your account. Now, in case of these 3 boxes, you can see this is stop balance. Now, let's say you have $8,000 in your account. Now, you only want to risk $2,000 in our copy trading service. What you can do is you can withdraw your $6,000 and only put $2,000 in this account if you because if you make any changes to this stop balance, then what happens is lots of our VIP copy trader have complained whenever they have touched these 3 boxes, all trades are not copied in their account. That's why only I'm suggesting you this. Okay, now in case of minimum and maximum trade copy trade amount, you don't need to put anything, because as I have already shown you that we make $200 per trade in each trade. So there is no need to make any changes to these boxes. I'll see you inside my Telegram channel. Bye bye.